Hello, Falava. My name is Audrey English. I'm a singer and a songwriter, and I'm here on Young, Gifted, and Brown. I was born in American Samoa, and I was mostly raised in Guam, so spent most of my childhood there. Spent a few years in Texas after that, and went back to Guam for high school through to some of my college. So music came way later. I was here for a reunion in Samoa with all of our family, and it was like after that summer that I first started to sound decent. Was first able to sing, and my mom noticed that, oh, like she actually sounds pretty good, so she decided to start putting me into vocal lessons. And I've always been doing vocal lessons since then. I've had different teachers and different techniques, things that I favor or I found more, success from. I enjoyed writing as well, which ended up helping me a lot. I just knew I had to learn how to songwrite. I knew I had to learn how to record myself. So it was just a self-taught kind of thing, and I was already interested in it. I can't make you happy. Maybe she can make you happy. I love sad songs. I think as a listener, I resonate with sad music so much, and I think like when an artist is able to talk about something we've all been through, but they come from a mindset that I haven't, thought of, I'm just floored, and I'm amazed, and I want to be that kind of artist too. I want my music to just resonate with people. When I began singing, songwriting just came hand in hand. I knew I had to learn it, so that's why I started writing. So my biggest highlight was being able to perform with Jason Mraz when he was in Vegas.
Please welcome back to the stage our beautiful guest tonight, Miss Audrey English.
We had heard that he was gonna be in Vegas for a show. It was very last minute. My mom, she's my manager, so she reached out to the event. I went in last minute and I sang a few songs, and they're like, okay, yeah, we'll fit you in to be his opener for the show. He asked me if I would sing a duet as well, like during his set. So we sang Lucky together in the middle of his show, which was so magical. I was kind of nervous, but once I got on the stage, his audience is so loving, and I just felt like I didn't even have to do anything yet, and they were already accepting me, so that comforted me. My involvement with sync, it started kind of early on. I recorded my first YouTube video, which was a cover of Autumn. Autumn leaves. Edited it myself on GarageBand, and 2 weeks later we heard from a production company that wanted to use it for a TV show called Fortitude in the UK. And that's where I really started to dive into the sync world and making music for sync. Lean on Me was one of the syncs that we made. America's Got Talent has used that song pretty frequently, especially for the golden buzzer moments, which have been really touching. Every time I watch the clips, and I just see these amazing talents and the emotion, and it hits the golden buzzer and everyone's crying and hugging and stuff. Like I just feel like that's so touching, and I'm really honored that they keep choosing to use my song for such a special moment. I think love is so easy to write about because there's so much to say, and we've all been through it, and we all have very unique experiences, but it's extremely relatable. Like I said, I think in the way that you deliver that, that's what makes it really unique. I find it magical that you can write something. I can have something in my mind that I'm referring to, but you might listen to it and you completely have a different association to what I'm talking about. You apply it to your life. So I think I just resonate the most with writing love songs because there's so much to say.